Hey, what's up, Dogecoin holders? Many congratulations, my brothers. For this time in the all crypto market, Dogecoin is again completely viral, my friend. You can see a 7.78% from last from last 3 days, my friends. They will get a profit. So I think definitely it's really unbelievable and very huge profit, my friend. And I hope they will again hit now 0.5 USD dollar easily just in only in a few days. But if they will move upward like that, 10% profit, my friend. Expert says to if they will get a 10% profit, so this is possible to they will hit the old target 0.7 USD dollar, my friend, just in only in a few days, in 5 days, in upcoming days, my friend. At the end of month, that's clear, my friends. I will clearly tell you to at the end of month they will give you 0.7 USD dollar, but if they will get a 10% profit. So kindly order if we check out the last 24-hour chart, so they will, you can see here again fails down. And remember, this is temporary fail, so don't worry. After a huge pump, every coin will dumps down. So therefore, if they were fails down, so remember to, I hope, my friends, after this fail they will again pumps up. So please, holder, this does not mean to you are starting selling. A lot of holder ask me to what we will need to do, sell, hold, or buy. So I am very shocked to what the holders are doing. Kindly, holders, hold down, don't starting selling, otherwise you or miss the chance of profit. So don't miss the chance of profit. Hold it. I hope at the end of month they will give you a profit. See you next time. Please like video and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Allah Hafiz, take care.